What's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to the project. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, how you doing? My name is Troy, and I do project videos weekly using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if that's something that you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. And in this project, I'm gonna show you how I engrave photos using my Glowforge. So if you ever tried to engrave a photo, you know it's not easy. There's no one way to engrave a photo because every photo is different. But I have found a simple way that anybody can use to engrave a photo. And it's an app called Pencil Sketch Pro. Also, it's not sponsored. I pay for this app with my own money. At the time of this recording, this app costs about $3. Once you get the app downloaded and when you open it up, this is what you're gonna get. You get a picture of this girl. You can literally save it and engrave her if you want to, but we are not going to engrave her. We are going to engrave me. This is a photo that I took a couple weeks ago. This is the photo that we're gonna use. Okay, once you get the photo downloaded into the app, this is just the base settings that you're gonna get. This top right here, this is like do something where I think it like enhances it or something like that. That's what it do. I didn't like that. This second one, this is if you want to share it. This question mark basically gives you a tip right here. This is like something if you want to buy some other apps or something like that. And the X is just to exit out. This bottom camera right here, this is if you want to use the camera just to take a picture and upload it automatically. The middle right here, this is where you push to upload your photo. And then the disc over here, this is where to save it. And this middle thing right here, this is basically where you can do some adjustments. Like if you adjust it all the way to the left, this is what you're going to get. And this, if you adjust it all the way to the right, this is what you're going to get. It's basically going to give you like a little bit more detail. I kind of liked it like right in the center, like where they kind of had it at. Once you get it to your liking, you just save it and export it to your computer, however you do it. I'm just going to airdrop it and send it to the Glowforge. Okay, we got it uploaded to Glowforge. The material that we're going to use is medium basswood hardwood, and this is the engrave. I went with draft graphic. I think it looks the best. And these are the settings right here. 1000 speed, full power. We're going to do the convert to dots. I'm pretty sure you can play around with this and probably get some better results than what I got. But this is what I liked right here. And the lines per inch, I went with 195 and one pass. You want to cut out the shape of your design before you start engraving. And also, you want to remove the masking paper off of it if it's not already removed. Okay, this is the results from the basswood. It did not turn out like I was expecting it to turn out, because when I did it on the draft board, when I tested, I got more detail in the draft board than I did with the basswood. As you can see them side by side. I think the draft board looks better than the basswood. It's more detailed than this one. Hold up. I also engraved on some clear acrylic. Before we get to the face part, as you can see, we got a lot of the detail, and this was coming straight out of the app. You can see the street lines, you can see the tree line, you can see the trees. Like, this had the most detail. But I did notice if you put like a blurry light behind it or something that's lighter behind this, you're gonna get this. Troy, what is that? Troy. But as you can see, you put something light behind it and it's far enough, you can see exactly what it's supposed to be. But if it's something that you're going for, this is what you got to do, using some clear acrylic, and you will get this type of look right here. I took this image of my beautiful daughter Mallory and this two-colored black and white acrylic. I did not remove the masking paper from this two-colored acrylic, and I did 2 passes. Now this turned out amazing. Straight from the app, straight to the Glowforge, 2-color acrylic. This was black and white, and this is what I got. I mean, this came out amazing. Like the detail, everything. Like look at her eyes. Like you can see everything. This is what made me feel like this was worth sharing. So if you use like a 2-color acrylic, you're gonna get a really good detailed image. I ended up putting a little hole up here so I can put a string on it and turn it into like an ornament and hang it on the Christmas tree this year. But yeah, this turned out amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like it? Do you think it was okay? Honestly, I think it did a good job due to the fact that you're really not doing anything and the app does all of the work. Let me know if you find any other apps that might work better than the app that I found. Put them in the comments as well. And there you have it. Engraving photos using a Glowforge. Well, at least one way you can engrave photos using a Glowforge. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next project. Peace and happy Thanksgiving. I like this angle a little bit right here. It's kind of comfortable. It's all right. Might be using this angle for a little while.